Maisie Chang reporting, and Dana has our full forecast, and you know, a little overcast today, but
that's all right.
Warm.
Yeah, I said earlier that it almost felt a little bit humid when I left my apartment today, which, I mean, we're getting into May, so that's sort of approaching summer, but it was definitely a little bit like, oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Yes,
but
same.
Yeah, so our temperatures got pretty good today, but I do want to talk first about our thunderstorms, because we've had some heavier thunder showers and thunderstorms just kind of riding along the ridges of the mountains over the past couple of hours, and they're going to kind of stick around for at least until we get to about sunset tonight. So that has caused a couple of flash flood warnings to pop up. This is one here between Greenville and Millinocket. Basically what we're looking at here is a lot of rain in a short period of time may cause some localized flooding in areas that are prone to it. So because of this, the National Weather Service has issued just some flood advisories for the areas in this kind of lighter green color here. So northwestern Maine, back into New Hampshire, and then that darker green color there, that's our flash flood warning. So these are in effect until 8:15 p.m. just because these thunderstorms are kind of just sitting over the same areas, which can drop a lot of rain in a short period of time. So I mentioned that our high temperatures today, it actually got pretty warm at a lot of spots and felt a little bit humid in some places too. A lot of us be getting into the mid 70s today, 78 today in Bangor, 76 in Freiburg, 71 in Portland, a little bit cooler right along the down east coastline, only in the upper 60s, but still overall a pretty nice day out there. We kind of had a mix of sun and clouds, and we're going to keep that cloud cover overnight tonight. So like I mentioned, we're still going to see those thunderstorms and some of those heavier showers, particularly areas in northern Maine, as we go kind of into sunset and beyond the next couple of hours. And that's because of a cold front that's stationary right along areas in northern Maine. And then our showers for Thursday are going to be a little bit of a different reason. So it's going to be a little bit cooler, I would say overall more clouds than sun. And then we're going to see just kind of some scattered showers, particularly areas in southern Maine because of a larger system to our south. So the heavier and more consistent rain is going to remain away from our area, but we still can see some scattered showers in the afternoon. And then once again, a couple of showers in areas in northern Maine and back into the mountains because of the cold front to our north. So we kind of got two competing factors here that's both giving us rain showers, but for a little bit of a different reason. And then as we go into Thursday night, early Friday morning, things are actually going to improve pretty greatly. Early in the morning, some more sunshine. Then once we get later in the afternoon, Friday is definitely one of the drier days of the week, so we're losing some of those shower chances as the systems move away from us. Overall in the afternoon, I think we'll pick up a bit more cloud cover, but definitely one of the sunnier days in comparison to other days this week. And then Saturday and Sunday for the weekend overall have been improving. Originally, I was a little suspicious of a cold front and how it would phase with another system, but right now it's been trending a lot drier, and I think that's going to work out better for our weekend forecast. Seas 2 feet, water 52 degrees. So originally, earlier this week, the weekend forecast was looking a lot wetter. Now I think it's trending a little bit drier, but as we get closer to the coastline, those temperatures are going to drop back only into the mid 60s. But Amanda, I think we've got a pretty good stretch coming up. Very excited for the warmer weather.
Yeah, that looks a lot better.
Right?
All right, Dana, thank you.